In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable a service or API on the Google Cloud Platform using the Web Console. Whether you're looking to activate Compute Engine, BigQuery, or cloud storage, this guide will walk you through the process, ensuring you can efficiently set up and utilize the service you need. First, you'll need to navigate to the Google Cloud Console. This is your central hub for managing your Google Cloud services, and it's easily accessible via your web browser. Once there, you'll want to make sure you've selected the correct project. This step is crucial because enabling services is project-specific, meaning each project can have unique configurations and resources. So, double-check that you're working within the project you intend to modify. Once you're certain you're in the right space, look over to the sidebar on the left of your screen. Here, you'll find a section labeled APIs and Services. Click on this option and then select Library. The library is essentially a catalog of all the Google Cloud APIs and services available to you. It's like a library in the traditional sense, but instead of books, it houses digital tools and services you can add to your project. Now, you have two options. You can either scroll through the list of available APIs and services or use the search bar to quickly locate the one you need. Searching can save time, especially if you're looking for something specific like the Compute Engine API or BigQuery. Once you've found the API or service you're interested in, click on it to open its detailed page. Here, you'll find information about what the API does, its features, and how it can be integrated into your project. To enable it, simply click the Enable button. This action will activate the service in your project, unlocking its features. Enabling a service means you're not only accessing its functionalities, but also setting the stage for important additional features like billing, monitoring, and identity and access management roles. These elements are vital for managing your service as they help you track usage, costs, and assign appropriate access to team members or other collaborators. And there you have it. Enabling a service on Google Cloud Platform via the Web Console is straightforward, and with these steps, you should be well on your way to getting the most out of the Google Cloud services you enable. Remember, if you plan to explore more services, you can repeat this process for each one independently. I hope you found this guide helpful in navigating the Google Cloud Platform efficiently. Thanks for watching.